Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create an Instagram account. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap on Get Started. Enter your mobile number and tap Next. You will receive an OTP on your phone. Enter the OTP to verify your number. Now create a password for your account and tap Next. Next, enter your date of birth and continue. Now enter your full name and tap Next. Instagram will suggest a username, or you can create your own username. Select a username and tap Next. Now tap on I agree to accept Instagram's terms and conditions. Next, you can add a profile picture or tap on Skip. Instagram may ask for access to your contacts. You can tap Allow Access or tap on Skip. On the next page, tap Next. On the following screen, tap Skip. A pop-up will appear, tap Skip again. When asked to add an email address, tap on Not Now. Again, tap on Skip to continue. And that's it. Now you have successfully created an Instagram account. Thanks for watching.